Taking a look at USTC, we can see that USTC has essentially been sitting in the same accumulation area for almost 3 years now. However, we can't necessarily assume that this is accumulation because there are many coins that have the same chart pattern, but they ended up making a new low down here somewhere. So what we can do is draw a major downtrend, and we can say that as long as USTC is inside of this downtrend, there is no reason to assume that the price of the token is bullish. We can actually zoom in and take a fib from this high down to the low. And we can also say that as long as USTC is below 1428, that it is actually extremely bearish, which means that as long as it's below that price, technically a new low is still possible for USTC. Now, on the flip side, if it ends up holding here and breaking up, a break over 1428 would confirm a local low and a larger move up to 19 or even 20. However, you can see that is your 618 retracement, and it is still inside of the macro downtrend, which would suggest that technically, until Terra Classic gets over this downtrend, even at that price, it is still technically bearish. So we can only say Terra Classic has fully bottomed and has fully began a bull market once it gets over 1941, and as long as it's below 1428 or 1181, technically the price is still bearish and a new low is possible, in my opinion.